Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the Echo Plus. So this thing has a built-in smart hub with premium sound. I picked it up because I wanted to check it out and see if it would replace my current setup. So right now I've got several Echo Dots. I've got the Echo Cube. I'm also running SmartThings in the house. So that is what I've been using for all of my smart home stuff, for the hub, connecting everything. I wanted to see if this guy could replace it. On the top, we've got the volume buttons, we've got the microphone mute button, and then we also have the action button up here. On the back, we've got ports for power and then also the auxiliary ports. So if you want to plug this into a sound system or just plug it into an external speaker, that is an option. On the bottom here, we have a little screw mount, and then also if we pull out this tab, underneath this tab is the temperature sensor. So we're gonna cover that back up. That's a new thing that's on this too that I really like, is it has the temperature sensor. So essentially you can set up your smart home devices to go off of this temperature sensor, meaning you can turn on, say, fans or the AC or something like that off of this. But is it really necessary? So like I said, I've got SmartThings. All of my smart devices already have built-in temperature control, so I don't know that that was really necessary on this. One thing I was a little disappointed with too is that this built-in smart home hub only has support for Zigbee devices. So it does not support Z-Wave, which some of my devices are. After playing around with this on a smart home level, I found that it was very similar to a Wink hub. So a Wink hub is very straightforward. You add things to it, you take things off, you can program them from there, but it doesn't have the extra option of creating device handlers. So the biggest thing that I love about SmartThings is that you can add your own device handlers or device handlers that other people set up to tweak a device to do it something that it wasn't necessarily intended to do out of box, which is really awesome. Unfortunately, you cannot do that with this, but on the same time, a lot of people don't necessarily want that, but I was not a fan of that. So another thing I wanted to check out on here is I wanted to check out the speaker. So like I mentioned before, I've got Echo Dots in the house right now. Obviously the speakers aren't that great on them, so I was really looking forward to getting something that has some nice premium sound like advertised on the box. This thing, it says it has Dolby technology, so very excited on what this guy can produce. So we're gonna set this guy to a volume level 5, and let me show you guys what this thing can do. Echo, play royalty-free music.
Royalty-free music by Music for Anything, starting now on Amazon Music.
You guys can hear that. So there's a demo of the music. The speaker in this is really good. Just feeling on the table, you can feel the bass. It's a great little speaker that comes with this guy right here. So that is a huge improvement. So I mentioned earlier that this has 7 microphones on the top. I found these microphones to be very responsive. We set this guy up in the kitchen because we wanted to use it for the music. I also have the Echo Cube next to the TV, and I found that this was picking up more than the Echo Cube was. Now, it was kind of right in between the both of them, but I figured that if I was facing the Echo Cube, that's what was gonna pick up more, but unfortunately behind me, this is what was picking up. It was kind of annoying because we use our Echo Cube a lot to turn volume up and down. So if I'm sitting there watching TV, I wanna turn the volume up, wanna turn the volume down, I'm yelling at the Echo to turn the volume up, but this is what's picking up and turning up and down, not the TV, which was a little bit annoying. So we had to constantly have this muted after the kids went to bed and we were sitting and watching TV. I guess that's one positive thing with this device is the microphones on it are fantastic, so much so that it's almost a complaint when you have an Echo Cube that you're trying to also have listen to you. All right, guys, well, I don't want to make this video too long. There is so much more I could go into depth on this thing, but I just want to give you guys just a quick overview of the new Amazon Echo Plus. I love this guy right here. This is definitely going to be a new permanent fixture in the house. I would say that if you are looking to start a smart home, this is it. This is what you want to do. Unless you want to get really deep into doing device handlers, then maybe go with the SmartThings. But if you just want to set up a standard smart home, this is the way to go. It's got everything that you're gonna need. It's got the great speaker, the built-in hub, and just a great look to it. This is Amazon's best product yet. So guys, I hope you found some helpful information in there. If so, give the video a thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.